Hi, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to unblock WeChat account. When you try to log in WeChat account, you failed. Most reasons are like this. Your account has been blocked because of unusual registration was detected, or abnormal activity has been detected, or you just lost your phone and buy a new one. When you try to log in WeChat on your phone, but you were told this is the first time logging from this device. For your account safety, verify your identity first. This will drive you crazy. No matter what causes account blocked, the solutions are all the same, that is, verify your account. So in this video, you will learn everything about how to unblock WeChat account. It's all covered, so don't skip the video. The first blocking tab is Abnormal Activity. Click OK, and then click Login. It will lead you to this page. You can see what kind of blocking. You can unblock it when it shows you Self-Service Unblock Allowed. If it shows you it's been permanently blocked, then I'm sorry. You are not able to unblock it. No matter what you did, how hard you tried, it's unchangeable. Just let it be. Now you need to click Read and Accept, and then drag a slider to fit the puzzle piece. Enter the phone number that you linked to WeChat before. Select your region and phone number, and then click Next. This requires you to send SMS code to the number they gave you. Copy and paste recipient, and then send the code to it. After this, go back to WeChat, and then click Continue after sending SMS. If you're lucky, your account will be back without any further verification, but most of you were told to ask for help from your WeChat friend. If you don't have any WeChat friend who can help you, then you should try to send feedback to WeChat. Please check my other video about how to send feedback to WeChat. If it's still not working, then you should avoid to create a new one immediately. Otherwise, it will cause your new account getting blocked too. You should take a break and wait for weeks, and then try to create a new one. Just keep that in mind. Now, let me show you how to ask for help. I mean, the following steps are for your WeChat friend who want to verify your account. Now, it says that you need a WeChat friend who meet the requirements below. Check here. So, just find the right one to ask for help. Or, it could be not working. Enter your friend's phone number which has been linked to his or her WeChat account. Select region and then enter the number. Next, you need to let your WeChat friend know you need their help. Tell them to go to WeChat, search WeChat team on the search bar if you don't see WeChat team. Then click WeChat team to go to the chat dialog. After that, click on account. Tap the verify friends login. Just need to click the initiator himself has contacted me to confirm that. The last step your friend needs to do is type in identity verified. After that, your friend will get this, action successful. It means your account has been verified. You can log in your account again. The second blocking tab is first time logging in from this device. Now enter the account info as usual. It may pop up an updating info. I don't know why it is some Chinese characters, not English, but it's okay, you got me. Just follow my step. Just need to check this and click on 下一步. You will see that you need to verify account for account safety. Click Start to verify, and then you are good to go. There are two ways to verify. One way is verify via QR code. That's asking your friend to scan the QR code that you send them. The other one is asking your friend to verify account using Have Friend Login. That's asking your WeChat friend to send some code number to you on WeChat. Now let me show you. Click Verify via QR code, and then take a screenshot of the QR code and then save it to your phone. Next, you need to send this code to your WeChat friend. Maybe you are wondering, how could I send this QR code to my WeChat friend? It's been blocked. Well, you should send it by email, message, or WhatsApp, etc. Once your account gets the screenshot, ask them open WeChat to scan that QR code screenshot. If they save the screenshot to their phone, they should send a screenshot to WeChat first, and then click the screenshot image. After that, long press image. Just click on scan the QR code here. Okay, it's done. You are able to log into WeChat. Sometimes you will need to ask more than one friend for help, then just do exactly the same things. If you don't want to scan QR code, then you can click the second one. You will get a code. Check here. You are required to ask at least 2 frequently contacted friends. And you can refresh here to check your friends work it out or not. Here are the steps for your friend. Ask them to send a code to you on WeChat. You don't need to log in WeChat. Just need that code to be sent to you on WeChat. That's all. Alright, these are the step-by-step tutorial about how to unblock WeChat. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. I will show you more about Chinese social media and more information about China.